Chapter 13. Section and midpoint formula. Section formula. Coordinates of point m2 x1 plus m1 x2 upon m1 plus m2. m2 y1 plus m1 y2 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula used to find coordinates of the point when the line is divided. When the line is divided by a point in some ratio. When the line is divided by a point in some ratio. Clear? Then midpoint formula. Coordinates of the point x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. When the line is divided equally into two parts. So that time the coordinates of the point, which point is dividing? That point we have to find out now. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Centroid. When three medians of a triangle intersect at a common point or meet at a common point, that is called centroid. To find the centroid, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Okay. So, in the first exercise, we are going to apply the section formula only. We are going to apply the section formula. Now, see, this is a line A, B. And this AB is divided by one point. That is, we can keep it as P. Divided by a point P in the ratio. In the ratio M1, M2. AB is a line divided. This line is divided by P in the ratio M1 and M2. Now, what is this point? We have to find out. Okay, find the coordinates of the point P. And this one is x1, y1. And this point is x2, y2. Okay. So, now you will write. This is the x. X is equal to m1 into x2. m1 x2 plus m2 into x1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. Same way, here you write point P. So, for x you got it. Point is having x and y, no. For x you got this, then y. m1, y2, m2, y1, m1 plus m2. Okay. So, this formula when we will apply? When the line is divided by some point in ratio. Okay. So, m1, m2. m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 upon m1 plus m2. Then m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. This is called section formula. What is this? Section formula. Clear? Now see the first question of the exercise 13a. Exercise 13a. Clear? First one. Calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment. Question 1. A is given -4, 6 and B is given 3 and -5 and the ratio is 3:2. Okay. Calculate the coordinates of the point P. Draw the line. Okay, this is A and this is B. And A -4, 6. B 3 -5. And divide this Line is divided, okay, in the ratio 3:2. And what is this? Coordinates. We have to find out. So take M1 is 3 and M2 is 2. Understand? Now we have to find out the point. Right. Let the coordinates of point, okay, let the coordinates of P be X and Y. Let the coordinates of P be X and Y. Okay, therefore, X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. So, take 3 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4 upon 3 plus 2. So, what you will get? That is equal to 9 minus 8 upon 5, that is 1 upon 5. Yes. Now we have to find y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. That is equal to 3 into minus 5 plus 2 into 6 upon 3 plus 2. So you will get minus 15 plus 12 upon 5. So minus 3 upon 5. Okay. Now write the answer. Point P is equal to, P is 1 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Okay. This is the answer. Given, what is given in the question? Find the coordinates of the point P which divide the line AB in the ratio 3:2. So A is minus 4, 6 and B is 3 and minus 5 and the ratio is 3:2. So draw the AB line and P is a point, mark it X and Y, and M1 3, M2 2. Let the coordinates of point P be X and Y. So you know X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. And in the place of M1 write 3, M2 write 2, X2 3 and X1 minus 4. So 3 into 3, 9, 2 4s are 8. And here it is minus, therefore minus 8. 9 minus 8 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Same way, we have to find the value for y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So 3 into minus 5 plus 2 into 6. 3 into minus 5 plus 2 into 6. Then minus 15 plus 12 upon 5, that is minus 3 upon 5. Now they ask you to write the coordinates of the point. So P is equal to 1 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Coordinates means X and Y. Together we have to write. Clear? This is the answer. Question number 2. In what ratio is the line joining 2 minus 3 and 5 6 divided by the x-axis? What is given in first point? 2 minus 3. And the second point, 5 6. Okay, this is a line. This line is divided by the x-axis in some ratio. So x-axis means what will be the point? X and 0. This is P. Okay, point on x-axis. What will be the coordinates? X and 0. If it is y-axis, 0 and 1. In the ratio, let the ratio be m1 ratio m2. Okay, ratio m1 ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, now we have to find out. You know the formula, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 m1 plus m2, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. Now see, in this point, which is 0, y. So take this one. Okay, our work will become very simple. Don't take x. We have to find ratio only na m1 ratio m2. We have x and as well as 0. So if you take 0, the work become very simple. So I am taking 0 is equal to, y value is 0, no, 0 is equal to m1 y2. So here you write first y is equal to m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now put the values, y is equal to 0 and m1 is into 6 plus m2 into minus 3 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 into 6, m2 into minus 3 upon m1 into m2. Anything multiple with 0? 0. So you will get 0 is equal to 6m1 plus minus 3m2. You will get, okay, so you can write like this way, minus 3m2. Okay, bring this one, 3m2 is equal to 6m1. Now 3 upon 6 is equal to m1 upon m2. So bring it to the lowest term. You will write m1 ratio m2 is 1 is to 2. This is the answer. Okay, m1 upon m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. So, given a 2 minus 3, b 5 6 is a line. Okay, this line is divided by the point which is lying on the x-axis. Okay, divided by the x-axis. So, p x 0 you will take. Now, let the ratio be m1 is to m2. Section formula you know. Alright, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now, you will take x and 0 no. If you take x, everything you will keep it in x term only, answer we will not get. So, if you take 0, within 2 steps, you will get the answer. So, I am taking the 0. Y is equal to 0 and that means second part we have to take. And do the cross multiple, the ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Okay. Seventh question of the exercise. Seventh question of the exercise. Find the ratio in which the join of minus 4, 7 and 3, 0 is divided by the y-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So let the ratio be. Let the ratio be m1 ratio m2. Okay. Then point on y-axis. So what you will write? 0 and y. Okay. Now formula: x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. Now you write which is 1 0 x value. So I will take only x first to find out the ratio. So 0 is equal to m1 into 3 plus m2 into minus 4 upon m1 plus m2. So anything multiple with 0 will become 0. So you will write 0 is equal to 3m1 minus 4m2. Okay, 4m2 is equal to 3m1. Then 4 upon 3 is equal to m1 upon m2. Okay, so ratio you have to write m1 ratio m2 is equal to 4:3. First part. Okay, write it in the ratio form. Don't leave it in this form because question is find the ratio. Okay. Next, what we have to find out? First part answer, you got it. The point P. Now you have to take y. Y is equal to, you know, m1 is 4, m2 is 3. Now multiply 4 into 0 plus 3 into 7 upon 4 plus 3 is equal to 21 upon 7 is equal to 3. Okay, therefore point P is 0 and 3. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer.